De, pero joke ko ng joke, pero sa totoong buhay, hindi kasi ako palaging vocal about how I feel kasi nga, pero if there's one thing that I appreciate with my husband, it's that dahil sa kanya, natutunan ko po na ipakita yung side na hindi niyo palagi nakikita. At isa sa mga side na yun, isa sa sides na yun, I love writing songs. But I've never had the courage and the confidence to release my songs. Kasi feeling ko, parang hindi naman ako marunong magsulat talaga. Feeling ko lang siguro marunong ako magsulat, pero baka hindi naman talaga yung mga songs na sinusulat ko hindi naman worthy para i-release. Pero sabi niya lang, a bad song is better than a good song you never wrote. And it's like, those chances na feeling mo mag-fail ka, pero never mo namang tinig. And so, of course, I'd like to thank my husband for encouraging me to release the songs I've written.